Ano ba Kabalen? Welcome to Fernando Pampanga.
Yes, nagkikrave ba kayo ng shabu-shabu, barbecue, and samgyupsal as low as 599 pesos? Panoorin nyo to.
Guys, ito ang Annyeong, bagong Korean restaurant dito po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. And we wanna show you more about the place and the food that they serve us. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Sa kanilang meat section. So notice itong section na to particularly for samji meat. So meron tayong chicken soy, chicken gochujang, yan, famous, no? Meron din tayong beef marinated, pork boksa marinated, mga plain nandito rin. So kasi at saka pork steak yung mga cut natin dito. On the other hand, yun yung mga shabu-shabu meat at saka some of the samji meat. Difference naman nun yung cut lang. So, siyempre, mga shabu-shabu meat natin, it's a little bit thinner para mas mabilis silang maluto sa sabaw. For our first batch, let's go.
Kukuha din tayo ng pang samji na meat natin. So, syempre po rin gochujang, a bit spicy. Chicken gochujang. Good for our meat para sa ating samji. Tara!
So itong section naman na to, yung kanilang buffet area. So ito yung pinaka-add-ons, no? Either you get a samji only, available po yung buffet, or shabu-shabu only, available po yung buffet. So if you get samji and shabu-shabu, available din yung buffet. So this is what you will get. Rice pala dito, right?
Right, for our shabu-shabu, ito na yung mga ingredients natin. So, luto na natin sila.
So yung table natin, guys. So speaking of dining table, notice kung gaano kalaki ang ating restaurant na to. I believe it can accommodate more than 200 people at the same time. Para siyang premium Korean restaurant talaga yung dating dito. So ito yung first set natin sa table. And para sa akin, sulit, no? Seafood muna tayo, guys. Seafood muna tayo. Later on yung mga ano natin. Beef. So actually mga seafood na to, bilis lang din sila maluto eh. Alright, so ayun nga guys, habang hinihintay natin maluto ang ating samgyupsal at ang ating shabu-shabu, let's talk about the prices. So if you are into samgyupsal only, ayan, so for only 599 pesos plus yung buffet, pwede nang ma-enjoy yan. If you are into shabu-shabu only, 699 pesos plus the buffet, na-enjoy mo yung kanilang shabu-shabu now if you want all, no? Samgyupsal at saka yung shabu-shabu nila, guys, for only 799 pesos plus the buffet. You can enjoy the entire food na sinaserve po nila dito. Not only that, so meron tayong mga unlimited juices at saka mga fruits for dessert. Okay na ba yan?
Right.
So ayun nga guys, another place for you to check out if you are into Samgyupsal, Shabu-Shabu,
And
mga
buffet.
Korean dishes. Ayan guys,
Yes.
this is Annyeong Korean Restaurant.
So Annyeong Korean restaurants open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday, and they are located sa may Building 2 ng Orchard Community, Telabastagan.
There you have it guys, we hope you like this video, and if you do guys, please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Make sure to tag them, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
So, bye guys.